Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 19 till the 25th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love Course, two links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have the high priestess, so somebody is kind of silent right now at this present moment, or they're not in they're not in that much communication with you, or not that much in contact with you the way they should. But it's like they're feeling your energies deeply, even if they are not talking too much or not revealing too much. Let's clarify the high priestess. For some of it's a deliberate action of not revealing too much. Okay, let's see. Sense of mystery. Mhm. We have the Four of Cups and the Strength card and the Wheel of Fortune. Somebody is trying to hide the disappointment or the disappointments they have gone through in their love and relationship area. They're holding back this desire and urge to say something in this direction, or be vulnerable in front of you, and they're feeling like this is not the right time to reveal too much to you about their vulnerabilities, about their complexities, about their journey in their love and relationship area, including you. Okay, so they feel like right now it's right for them to stay in touch with their own intuition, and stay silent, and not to be too much vulnerable, too much expressive. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Six of Wands. So from your side, you feel like being the center of attention of your own world, doing your own thing, and working on yourself, your success, your victory. Let's clarify. Success, growth, and expansion is very important for you right now. Let's see. Let's clarify this. We have the Eight of Cups, the Justice, and the Knight of Swords. Yeah, you're feeling like hmm, you should just move on. You should just keep moving ahead and remain detached from the idea of being with somebody until unless they are coming towards you with the right kind of attitude and right kind of energy. You feel like you should not do anything impulsive in any direction until unless you are getting what you really want out of a situation, out of a connection. Meanwhile, taking care of yourself, your money, your job, your career, your individual energies too. Okay, focused on yourself too. That's very good. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Justice. Their intention here is to bring the balance in the situation somehow, or doing the right thing. Whatever they are doing, according to them, they are doing justice with the situation. This is the right thing. This is the right course of action that they should be following right now at this present moment in this situation. Let's clarify the justice. We have the Six of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, the Devil. See, they don't want to be obsessively be in this energy of wanting to make things work out no matter what, no matter how toxic it is, no matter how unhealthy it is. They want to make things work out. They want to make the things successful and victorious in a very mature and grounded way. But they want to let go of all things that are unhealthy, that are not good, that are obsessive or possessive, or that are making this attachment a very not so good kind of energy to deal with. So basically, this person wants to choose the right kind of action, right course of direction in the situation, and meanwhile letting go of everything toxic and everything obsessive out of the situation, that is everything unhealthy out of the situation, that is making the situation look like a shit show, a deep shit show. Wow. So they definitely want to look into the situation from a very mature and grounded kind of angle, point of view, and want to make things work out accordingly in a positive way. Okay, that's really good. That's really good. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? This person wants to focus on this unhealthy patterns, negativity, toxicity, addictions that they have gone through till this point in their life, and they want to let them go one by one. That's really cool. From your side, let's see what do you want. Page of Cups. You want to handle this situation with love instead of being all very practical about it, very much in your head about it. You want to handle the situation with love. Let's clarify the Page of Cups. We have the Three of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles. You're very heartbroken by a particular partnership, collaboration, or something that you were a part of at some point of time, but you're not completely mm, off. You're not completely out of this idea of wanting to have a brand new beginning in this direction. See, you want to keep your heart open in a direction where where you got heartbroken, but not fully. And definitely you don't want to fully close off too. I am fumbling. Just bear with me, guys. You know my condition these days. But anyway, you want to keep your heart and energies open to the idea of maybe having a brand new beginning in this particular situation at some point of time. At the same time, don't want to waste your energies onto waiting for this situation to work out or waiting for this brand new beginning to happening. But you want to keep your heart open and energies open in this direction. Okay, let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 25th of May. Four of Wands, okay, sense of stability, reason to celebrate, okay, commitment kind of energy. Let's clarify the Four of Wands. We have the Tower, the Seven of Wands, the Six of Swords. So you are going to break free from the situation. Eventually, you are going to let go of this energy of wanting this person, this situation back in your life completely. Till this point, you are kind of open to the idea of maybe having a brand new beginning. But by the 25th of May, you are going to be like, nope, I'm gone, I'm done, I'm moving forward towards a great future, towards a stable relationship, towards a commitment kind of energy. For some of you, you might end up finding somebody new. And for most of you, you are going to be in this energy of no, don't want to play the same game with the same player again. You know, I'm not saying this person is player, just giving, this was just a metaphor. Okay, and you are going to be like in this energy of straight away heading towards the stability, the commitment kind of energy, the long-term partnership kind of energy that you are looking forward to have. So letting go of everything and everyone from your past and making room for something better, someone better, and moving forward, not looking back, leaving a situation behind. Okay, for you the guidance is the King of Pentacles. While you are doing everything right from your side in order to achieve what you really want, remain grounded. Hmm? Remain grounded, because from time to time you are going to have this not attacks, you are going to have these feelings of maybe I'm not on the right track, maybe I'm doing something wrong, maybe I should have done that, maybe I should have done this. You are going to have a lot of ifs and buts and confusions on the way. Okay, remain stable, remain grounded, and this too shall pass. This is just a phase, not your life. And then in like the card fell down, self love, self care, self healing on the way, on the path is highly recommended. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.